Guys, today I'm gonna show you my new server. It's called InBC. That server, you can be able be a hunter or a block. Just the server address is bh.inbp.net. That is only, and the server name is in PvP. Don't never mind that, boys. Add the server and click that. It can be a clock or mountain. Who's that? Ayoko na. Bagaw eh. Who's that? Oh, my password. 77. Oh, incorrect. 3491177. I'm telling you. Right, I am logging now. Sorry, there have no open maps. Day, it's a day. Here, it is night here. Okay. It's like on Hunger Games, but this is very hard, right? Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.